DJ Delz, you know I love you.
Funko Pop Addicts! You see what we got here? We have Mr. Conor McGregor. This is the UFC Conor McGregor Funko Pop. Finally have it in my possessions. I will link it in the description box below if you're looking for it. Guaranteed mint condition. There's a look at the side of the box. There's a look at the back of the box, and as you can see, there's other ones you can get. I do have Khabib on the way, so make sure you are subscribed. You turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on that review. Now, if you love out of the box looks and you're new to the channel, you came to the right place. Bang that thumbs up button right now. Show that love and support for the Funko Pop community on YouTube, and let's take this bad mother effer out of the cardboard box. And there he is out of the box. Awesome pop. Really looks like Conor McGregor. You cannot deny that. He's got his tattoos on him, which I do dig. I love when they put the actual tats on the characters with his UFC gloves. Green shorts, which is definitely appropriate. And the pose is awesome. It's a great, great pose. As you can see, we got WWE Funko Pops behind him. Who knows? Maybe we'll see him in the WWE in the future, because he did announce that he will be retiring. And that is a disappointment. Maybe it's just something to draw attention toward him. You know, this guy is brilliant when it comes to marketing himself. So it could just be that, just him promoting and marketing himself with his crazy antics. Besides being a great fighter, just on the microphone, he just knows how to talk that talk. He would do great in WWE. There's a look at his back, and there's a look at his other side. And once again, I love that pose. It's like he's walking. You know how he has that walk? Like his shit don't stink. That's that Conor McGregor walk. Let me know if you're a fan of him or not. Leave that in the comment box below. Who's your favorite UFC fighter? Definitely leave that in the comments. If you didn't hit that thumbs up button, once again, please show that support. It helps my channel. And definitely leave a comment. If you got nothing to say, just write, I love Funko. I will link him in the description box below, along with a ton of other Funko I think you're going to want to pick up. So look in the description box, guaranteed mint condition, or they will take care of you.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker Addicts! What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. Welcome to the Sneaker Addict on YouTube. We got an amazing package sent to us from Foot Locker. Thank you to the good people at Foot Locker. They knew I was a huge Walking Dead fan. I've been watching for so long. The new season, season 9, is bonkers. If you're not watching The Walking Dead, you need to start watching. It is so good. I have friends that I told them, you need to start watching The Walking Dead again. Because they were so heartbroken when Glenn and Abraham died. They were like, nah, I'm done. I can't watch no more. Glenn's dead. Abraham's dead. I'm done. But I convinced them, you need to watch, man. This new storyline with the Whisperers are crazy. The Whisperers, they basically wear the skin of the walkers, the zombies, so they could walk with the herd of zombies and blend in, and the zombies don't know they're actually humans, and they use it as a decoy to actually get the ones that aren't zombies. It is a lot of fun to show if you're into that, and I know there's tons of fans out there. I hope you all are ready for this detailed look. I'm about to hit you with it right now. Alright, so looking at the box first, TWD, The Walking Dead. I'm pretty sure that's Alpha. It may just be a walker, or it could be one of the Whisperers. On the side of the box, you have the Walking Dead AMC branding, Puma, and then you have Alexander John, who was the guy who put this colorway together with this shoe. On the top of the box, you have a bunch of X's, and you have the size 9 sticker. And I'm pretty sure this is actually Alpha, now that I'm looking right there. Yeah, this is Alpha, this image right here. Opening up the box. No shoes, I took them out already so we can see the actual artwork in the box. As you can see, you have Alpha going shh, because the whispers, they whisper. And then inside the box, you have that same graphic, more branding over there, with your X's on each side of the box. Getting into the shoes. So, this shoe is already pre-dirtied. You know, it's supposed to represent the sneaker that they would be wearing during the zombie apocalypse. So you have this dirt all over on the upper of the shoe, and it's definitely got some wear on your yellow hit right there. It just is supposed to really just tell the story, and it definitely does that. No one's wearing a fresh to death pair of sneakers during a zombie apocalypse. On the back, you have this X right here, and you also have it on the tongue. You have it on the tongue, and this is a very nice premium leather. This right here, super duper soft. That X right there really is a major selling point to this shoe because of the second to last episode. The way it went down was crazy. I'll talk more about it after we get into the detailed review for heads that don't want to hear spoilers. So once you see me again in the video, if you don't want to hear spoilers, it's time to turn the video off. And I will link these in the description box below. So definitely, if you want them, do not sleep on this release. I'm telling you now, because once they're gone, they're gone. And I love the premium laces right here, those leather laces. Nice touch. Looking at the insole, unbelievable how they closed it out with an actual image of this sick woman, Alpha. This woman is worse than the devil. I will link these in the description box below, along with the actual Louisville Slugger bat. It's not this plastic bat right here, but they actually released a Lucille bat. It is an actual Louisville Slugger baseball bat. So not only will I link the shoes in the description box below, but the actual bat. Now, talking about the X on this shoe, this group came into the community with Daryl, Michonne, the whole gang, and they played off like they were goody two-shoes, that they were good people, so they let them in. And this is someone that Michonne knew before the apocalypse. This woman that they let in was absolutely bat crazy. She ended up kidnapping the kids, taking them somewhere, and then Michonne and Daryl were trying to save them. They end up being captured by these people who end up being super crazy. This X in the back of the shoe is supposed to represent when Daryl and Michonne literally get branded in the back by a hot iron. They get an X branded on their back. They tied up Michonne and Daryl, branded them in the back. Michonne was actually pregnant at the time. It was a crazy, crazy episode. They ended up saving the day, getting the kids, thank God, because Judith is awesome in the show. Thumbs up this video right now if you agree. Thumbs up this video in general if you're a fan of The Walking Dead. And make sure to subscribe. But yeah, it was a really crazy episode. And one of the illest as far as like shock value. A lot of shock value with that episode. They put the insole of Alpha inside, which was really cool. But the X is what really got me. I can't stand Alpha. I really dislike her. Like, she's just so evil on the show. And she kind of makes Negan look like a nice guy. It's that serious. And Negan is, you know, Negan is Negan. He is not playing, but he's got something to him. He's got this charm to him that I think a lot of us like. But with Alpha, there's no charm. There's no nothing but just complete evil. And we shall see how it goes down in the season finale. And it's pretty cool that I got these for the season finale. I'm actually planning on hopefully going to Walker Stalker, the big convention where everyone from the cast is there. And my idea is to get these autographed by a bunch of the members of the cast. That is like my master plan now. I want to get Negan to sign it, Daryl, you know, everyone. So that is the master plan when it comes to these shoes right here. Once again, I got to thank Foot Locker so much for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. Very thoughtful of you. Link will be in the description box to pick these up. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, notification bell, ring that bell so you never miss out on any content. We have over, I think, 3,000 videos, one of the longest running YouTube channels when it comes to sneakers on the planet. Almost 10 years strong. So make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, and we out.